everyone, it's Adam Sellers here with the Queen City Sellers team, and we're at 124 Cramerton Mills, right here in the heart of Cramerton. Have you been looking for somewhere close to the lake? Well, this home might be the one for you. Hey everyone, thank you again for visiting 124 Cramerton Mills right here in the heart of Cramerton. I'm Adam Sellers with the Queen City Sellers team. Have you been thinking about moving to Cramerton? Reach out to us today and we'd love to schedule your tour.